look for any cracks or gaps as well as nail heads. Tip for spotting those hidden cracks: grab a flashlight and shine it at a low angle. Shadows will reveal even the tiniest imperfections. Step 2, sand it smooth. I start with a low grit sandpaper like 120, and then I move to an 80, then 100 for those tougher spots. Once you're done sanding, before you dive into repairs, clean up your mess because you need a clean work surface. So use a damp cloth and just go over everything. Step 3, wood filler or caulk. Let's fill those cracks. For larger cracks, I use wood filler with a putty knife for shaping. I had some tight corners and contours, so I used my finger on most of this application. Using caulk, the key is grab a high quality paintable caulk and a caulk gun. I used siliconized acrylic advanced paintable caulk for kitchen and bath, so it was waterproof since I had to touch up my laundry room and bathroom. Carefully apply the caulk along the cracks or gaps. Make sure you fill the cracks completely and use your finger to smooth out so there's a seamless finish. I usually re-wet my finger and I clean my nozzle every single time. Keep a damp cloth handy once again, it'll be your best friend on this project. Time to prime. You want to choose a high quality primer that suits your specific needs. I chose Zinsser Odorless Oil-Based Stain Blocker because it's high quality and my paint job will look better in the end. That came to about $25 per quart, but I'll give you a breakout of total cost in the caption below. Select a primer that matches your project requirements, such as stain blocking, adhesion promotion, or moisture resistance. And put that tape down before you start. I didn't fully press the blue tape down to seal it in order to show you how to clean up if some seeps under. And take one more wipe down before you paint. Alright, now it's paint time. Choose a color that complements your trim and overall decor. Make sure you use high quality brushes and rollers. Sometimes for small areas, I'll even use a good quality artist brush. But most of the time, I use the angled brush for shoe molding that had no paint on it. And then I use the angled brush also for the detailed part of the trim. I don't usually use trim pads, but I wanted to test it out and they actually came out perfect and didn't show any brush strokes. It's worth it to invest in good brushes and rollers for a smooth and even coat. After all that prep work, you want to achieve that professional finish. By following these 5 steps, guys, assessing, sanding, filing, priming, and painting, you can revitalize your trim and make it look as good as new. Proper prep work like cleaning, attention to detail make all the difference in achieving a professional looking finish. So don't forget, like and subscribe. If you learned something new or you have your own tips, please share with us in the comments. And remember, if you want it, you can make it. The only limit to your home improvement and design journey is your imagination. So until your next DIY adventure, may your projects be inspired and your homes be transformed. See you in the workshop.